In today's video, I'm going to teach you about an updated guide for 2024 to 2025 on how to set multiple take profits in Binance Futures, utilizing both Binance's built-in features and some handy workarounds. If you're looking to optimize your trading strategy by setting multiple take profit levels, then you're in the right place. Let's talk about a key feature in Binance Futures called the TPSL split target. This feature is a game changer for those who want to strategically manage their positions. With TPSL split target, you can set up to 4 separate take profit and/or stop loss targets for a single position. This is all about flexibility, enabling you to close out portions of your position at different price levels and effectively manage your risk and reward ratios. Now, let's dive into how you can achieve this using the TPSL split target feature. First things first, log into your Binance account. Once you're in, navigate to the derivatives section, specifically the USDSM futures, or, if applicable, your preferred futures section. You'll see a series of panels on your screen. Locate the positions panel where your open positions are listed. This is where you'll be working from. Once you find your open position, notice the TPSL section. Here, you'll see an option to click Add. Clicking this will bring up the TPSL dialog box. Within this dialog, navigate over to the Take Profit tab. Here's where you have the flexibility to choose between market or limit order types based on your trading strategy and market conditions. Now, it's time to set your stop or trigger prices and corresponding amounts. You have the option to define up to 4 different targets. For instance, let's say you want to take profit at price level A with 25% of your position, and then at price level B with another 25%. You can continue this pattern up to 4 targets, which allows for a more nuanced exit strategy. After setting all your desired take-profit split targets, you'll notice that there's a pie chart or other visual aids showing how your position is divided across these targets. This visual representation is incredibly helpful for verifying that everything is set according to your plan. Once you're satisfied with your settings, go ahead and confirm your selections. As the market moves and prices hit one of your target levels, only that specific portion of your position will be closed, locking in profits. Notably, the remaining portions will stay in play until their respective take profit or stop loss levels are met. This smart positioning allows for partial exits, giving traders more control and the ability to capture profits at incremental stages. And that's about it. By mastering the TPSL split target feature on Binance Futures, you're harnessing a powerful tool to enhance your trading strategy, manage risk, and potentially increase your returns. Remember to review your settings regularly and adjust them in line with your trading goals and risk tolerance. Thanks for watching and happy trading.